everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how do I post in my Goodreads group from the app. So the first, open your Goodreads app, click burger menu on the bottom right corner of the page. Then click groups. Click one of your groups. Scroll to the bottom, click one of discussion. I will choose share your post 2016. Click on the topic. Write a comment here. You can post your YouTube vlog links if you have, or just comment with the text like, hi, I need, hi, I need your videos. I need new recommendation books today. Thanks. Then click send. So this is how do I post in my Goodreads group from the app. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe.